How do you get your organization on board with the implementation of a new PLM software? It all starts with the right communication strategy. Why do you need a PLM communication strategy? Well, without an internal framework to connect senior leaders with those who actually execute transformational goals, there's little chance that the company can work together to succeed at PLM. So, what is a PLM communication strategy? When a PLM system is going to be implemented into an organization, a communication strategy is vital to ensure that everyone involved is aware and up to date of the changes to come. A change communication strategy should consist of delivering timely, relevant, and consistent information to help people understand what is changing, why, and how it will specifically affect them. When implementing a PLM system, there needs to be clear communication between everyone involved. One of the biggest culprits for unsuccessful digital transformations is a lack of communication. Not only should you enable people within your organization to share their thoughts, feelings, and opinions regarding the change, but you should also give them the opportunity to be involved in the communications. The more involvement they have, the more buy-in you will experience as a result. So, when do you need a PLM communication strategy? Whether you are implementing a new PLM strategy, going through a PLM system deployment, updating your existing process or technology, or undergoing a merger or acquisition, communication is essential to helping people move from where they are today to a more desired future state. Not sure where to start? Take a look at our 7-step approach to an effective communication strategy. Assess your current situation, evaluate current communication practices, and identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. Define your communication goals. Set clear objectives aligned with PLM initiatives, such as increasing awareness, fostering buy-in, or facilitating collaboration. Target and segment your audience. Identify different stakeholder groups and tailor messages to their specific needs, preferences, and roles. Decide on key messages and content. Determine the main points to communicate and select appropriate content types to convey them effectively. Choose communication channels. Select the most suitable channels for reaching your audience based on their preferences and accessibility. For example, some people prefer email while others prefer Teams or Slack. Create a timeline and action plan. Develop a schedule outlining when and how messages will be delivered, including responsibilities, resources, and deadlines. Track results. Establish metrics to measure communication effectiveness, such as message reach, engagement, and behavior change, and use feedback to refine future efforts. Good communication is essential for any organization to succeed in a change management initiative. At Share PLM, we understand that developing and implementing an effective and successful communication strategy can be overwhelming. If you're interested in learning more about our services at Share PLM, feel free to explore our YouTube channel or visit us at www.shareplm.com.